His Excellency W. Pope Omujwekyerwa wa United States of America mu Uganda ayanjwire enteebekanisa kandi eziharumu okora hanshonga y'emiturire y'empunzi ziri mu Uganda eby'amagara eby'obwegyese ebyokwerinda hamwe na n'ebindi
that are helping vocational training for young people, that's helping young Ugandan women in particular access health services.
Ambassador mazire biro mu ruburenge rw'izuba kandi atayayire emyanya etari emwe n'emwe kandi ogu nagira ngu nibaza kutamana omu kushongora abatura abo kwebisaho.
The impact that the programs have had positively for helping refugees find economic opportunities and moving to self-reliance, but also the impact that this assistance has had for local Ugandan business people and communities.
Aha byokwerinda ogwahigira abanya-Uganda okuzahabuzora misho okwerinda abazahambuki abakubasa kutahirira eihanga.
We have both in support of health, education, prosperity, security here in Uganda, but also being a partner in stability in the region.
Ahanshonga y'ebyobuhangwa Pope araganisa obushagiki bwa Amerika ahanshonga egi kandi yayireka ko Amerika eriyo nekwatiraho abahinja barikurenga omutwaro gumwe na kakaga okuhinga empinga y'omurembe.
And through other parts of the U.S. government, we're continuing to work with Ugandan farmers. A few weeks ago, I visited an activity in Jinja where we're supporting over 16,000 vanilla farmers with climate smart and resource efficient.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Michael tumwakire.